Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Velar D200 Velar edition. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Portofino blue. Starting our journey from the front, where you will see your matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side, you'll see further black contrasting features such as your black roof rails that sits on these 20-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you will also see your rear LED tail lights, and upon opening, the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of shopping or a set of golf clubs. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the quality of their Light Oyster perforated grain leather seats. And glimpsing into your cockpit will reveal your 14-way heated driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thanks for watching.